This video is about Teslong digital inspection camera. It comes with 50-foot gooseneck. It has wide-angle lens, 130-degree, adjustable LED lights, waterproof probe. So this is the charger. It's a USB, and it connects with USB-C. And this is one of the tip that you use. And then you have the smaller tip. One of them is magnetic, another one is hook type. This particular one has a magnet at the tip, and you can, I don't know if you could see, the second one is the hook one, where when you have the gooseneck through a pipe or something, you wanted to grab a ring or whatever that you see in the camera, you could easily do so. So the camera is lightweight. It's well built. Very happy with the plastic and how it's designed. It has a speaker on the bottom. It also has a mic. It has a few buttons to press. It's very simple. It's not complicated. It also has a reset button at the end. So this is the gooseneck probe. It's waterproof, and you see these Velcro clamps are easy to put on, and it comes with two of them, and you could use it to move around to test it. Once you are working on a pipe or something, you don't need those clamps. You could just remove it. So you see the tip, and the other end goes to the camera. I am going to demonstrate a little bit in this video on what the simple basic function of this digital inspection camera is all about. So first of all, there's a small ring-like nut connected onto the tip. So you just have to remove it. The camera works with it, but if you have a special mission, for example, you wanted to hook a tip that has magnet attached to it, you dropped a metal or there's something there that you see you want to use the magnet to get. I'm using an example, the bit over here, the drill bit, to show you that this tip is magnetized and it's pretty strong. So if you have anything down the drain, for example, a sink drain, or somewhere far you can't reach, you could use the magnetic tip to catch it, or you could always use this hook. This hook is small and nice enough to grab even a string like that you see in a short display. Now this particular tip is used for sewer pipe or something, a bigger pipe, to protect the tip mainly. It'll make it easy for you to push the snake through the pipe for inspection purposes. So I got this video in a fast to show you how to connect. So it comes with an additional wire, like you see this one. The wire only goes one way, and you connect it. Now you have to press and hold for a couple of seconds to get it to come on, and it comes on. And once it does, you could adjust the lighting, of the camera. Right now the light is on, and there's a few modes that you could switch down if you wanted to. What I also found more interesting is you could turn off the light and you get a visual as you see right here. I'm trying to demonstrate it as much as I can without actually doing the work, because I have a secondary video, as I mentioned earlier, that's going to entail what you could do with this particular tool. And you see, I just turned the light on. This light is used for darker area, work area, if you happen to be in. You use that light, and you have different setting here. You have the contrast, you have the other settings that you usually have with devices like this, and you have this micro card reader that you could install. This particular thing came with it. I believe it does come with it, so you could store your photos, videos that you will be using. Many people use these kind of devices to provide service to people. Someone has plumbing problem or whatever problem, they would call someone with a camera right here, and you would go in with this camera and see what the problem on the drain pipe is, and you could record what you're doing. You could record your inspection. You could take pictures, present it to your customers, and they will pay you for this service. Last time I checked, it was about $250 to $300 per inspection. So you do the math, there's a lot of money to be made. This camera would pay for itself. So this is what I thought it was interesting, and that's how you turn it off. And with the Velcro clamp right here, you could just slide it over and get the tips together, and you are able to tuck it away neat and clean. You see, the packaging came in very nice. I was impressed with the packaging, because now you don't really use these cameras every day, but when you do use it, you want it to be ready to go and you want it to be as portable as possible.